Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is unusual because it's not about cakes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and let's enjoy cooking together. Many of us are very busy and sometimes we all just need a recipe to cook quick and hot meal. And this video is just about that. Here I have used frozen vegetables and just made sure that there are no additional ingredients on the package. And if you have more time to peel and cut fresh vegetables, I'm sure it will be even better. You can use your favorite spices to season salmon. I have started with garlic salt with herbs and then added dried dill on top. And I applied those spices from both sides. Then I have added my frozen fries and then actually realized that I could have added a bit more of those. So I added more and this was enough to feed 3 people. By the way, let me know in comments what is your favorite quick and healthy meal. Don't hesitate to ask questions about this recipe if you have any. And remember that you can also follow me on Instagram to get more ideas about baking and cake decoration. The link is available below this video. The next step of this recipe is adding a bit of more seasoning on top of fries if you need to. I added a bit of salt and a mixture of chili and garlic. Then I added a bit of oil and spread it inside of the baking pan. There is no need to add lots of oil, just a tiny bit. The next step is to add vegetables, and these can be any vegetables you like. I have fully filled the baking pan. This combination of ingredients is very simple, but the result is very good. While doing this, I have already preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. And after finishing adding all of the final ingredients, my dish was ready to go to the oven. I have baked it for 30 minutes, but it's important to understand that each oven is different and you need to adjust it to your needs. And look at the result, the hot meal with vegetables which will make happy both kids and adults. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out other recipes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and switch on the notifications. And see you in the next video.